Hello everyone. Many parents keep asking me, Madam, can you give tips on disciplining the child? So this time I thought this were a series of videos I'll dedicate towards disciplining the child. The topic is very vast one. So I thought of making it as a series of video related with disciplining. The first and foremost thing which is under disciplining is about whenever the child behaves inappropriately, the reason behind, finding out the reason behind is very important. It can be for the fulfilling the basic need of the child. Might be sleep the child has not had full, or the child might be hungry, or the child might be feeling like stomach ache or any pain, body pain or anything. So it can be of any of this genuine reason because of which the child might be behaving inappropriately. So under discipline, whenever the child is throwing any tantrums or not behaving properly or not listening to you, first and foremost thing to check is like when is the last meal the child had, or hungry, or water is thirsty, or pain is there, or so any of such basic things have to be checked. If everything is all right, then comes what are the different various things which you can do to see that your child is behaving in a proper way. First task I would always tell the parents is the child always wants to be independent and wants to be feel like an adult. So the first activity what you can give it as everyday chores is like age appropriate task. So here this series of videos we are making for even from just born to 1 year to till the age of 6 years. So you can use these tips beyond that age also, but for this when I'm talking about age appropriate task, if your child is around 6-8 months also, the age appropriate task might be the child can hold the finger foods and eat. So it might be 1 year around also the child, you can give the child food in a plate and things, ask the child to eat by himself or herself, which really the child wants to do it. Or probably a 2-year-old child wants to keep after drinking the cup, the child wants to keep it back in the sink. The child can walk, move around. After eating, the child wants to place the plate back in the sink, or wants to help you in the mopping, sweeping, or any of the household chores. So according to the age of the child, probably of a small child wants to put the socks by himself, wants to walk up the stair, or climb up the stair or down the stair, or wants to push the clothes on its own, wants to take bath, want to comb the hair, want to dress up. There are lot of things where the child wants to do by himself or herself. In the name of too much love, pampering, and in the name of this will be a double work. If the child is doing this as a double work, I have only little time in that, I have to squeeze in and do it. So if all those questions are there in your mind, think about a bigger picture wherein though it is, the child is not very not able to do it in the way the parent can do it, or the child might be it'll make the place little messy than or double the time. So even considering all these things, if you're allowing the child to do by himself or herself the work what the child can do by, so it will give a sense of confidence to the child, self-esteem of the child improves. At the same time, ability to handle the things which is required, which helps the child in the long run. So considering all these things, in a day, make sure that you give for the child whatever the child wants to do by himself or herself and capable of doing it. Allow the child to do it. This is one way of catering to the disciplining problems with the child. So giving age appropriate task.